Okay, my functional skills math students, okay, looking at some division and multiplication in this video. So using the bus stop short division and multiplying using the column method in this video lesson. This first part here has to calculate 2,874 divided by 6. So I'm going to set up my bus stop. I'm going to put 2874 inside my bus stop and the divisor, the 6 on the outside of my bus stop. Okay, and here is the process. So 6 is into 2, do not go, because 6 is bigger than 2 or 2 is smaller than 6. Okay, cross the 2 off, carry it forward. Then we say 6 is into 28, go 4 times, because 6 fours or 4 sixes are going to be 24, with a remainder of 4, because 28 is 4 bigger or 4 more than 24. 6 is into 47, go 7 times. Okay, not 8, because 6 eighths makes 48, so that's too big. So that'd be what? Remainder 5, okay, because 42 minus, so yeah, between 42 and 47, it's going to be 5, and then 6 into 54 go 9 times, so we get the answer of 479. Okay, again, if you're ever unsure here, just write out here your 6 times table here to the side. 6, 12, 18, 24. Maybe I should have actually done it before that. I apologize. 38, because it would have actually made more sense. 36, 42, 49, 54. Okay, and 60. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, 66, 72, etc. Okay, next up, calculate 9 times 68. So I'm going to put 9 multiplied by 68. Okay, 8 times 9 makes 72, so 2. Carry that extra 7, so I've called that extra 70. 6 times 9 is 54, plus the 7, okay, makes 61. Okay, because 54 plus 6 is going to be 60, plus 1 makes 61, so we get 612. Another way, because there's always more than one way of obviously tackling this. If I did 10 lots of 68, because that's a bit easier, right? Because I'm going to just tag on a 0 here, I get 680. And then if I do 680 minus 68, okay, essentially doing 80 minus 68, but keeping that 6 in the hundredths column, okay, then you will get the same answer. Okay, 0 minus 8, I can't do anything to borrow. That becomes a 7, becomes a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 7 take away 6 is 1. And 6 take away nothing is 6. Okay, that is another way. Okay, another third way, if you're wondering, is I can actually partition this, okay, and do 9 times 60, and then 9 times 8, and then add my answer key. Very, very similar to the first process, okay, but just, like an extra added step. 9 times 6 is 54, then tag on the 0, I get 540. 9 times 8 is going to be 72, and then add them together. Okay, 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 7 makes 11, carry the 1. Okay, 5 plus 1 makes 6, we get 612. Okay, if you partition it. Okay, again, there's always more than one way to obviously tackle a problem, but this is an interesting way, in case my adult learners here who are functional skills students may find certain methods a bit more trickier. But that was 3 different methods there. Again, there's loads more here if you want to check them out. But for division, there is also like a long division. Okay, if you find dividing by 6 a bit too tricky, you can divide by 2 and then divide by 3 if that helps you. So you can half it and then divide it by 3, or divide it by 3 and then half it. Sorry, divide by. Okay, there are always little ways here to obviously help you whenever you're dividing here. Okay, divided by 6 I don't think it's too challenging. But if you start to divide by like 2-digit numbers that are not prime numbers, for example, okay, then there are like double-decker, like bus-stop methods to solve it. Okay, but again, you are welcome to divide it by 2 first, and then divide by 3, or divide it by 3 and then half it, or divide by 2. Okay, there's lots of different ways to tackle these problems. If you're a functional skills student, a Key Stage 2 student, Key Stage 3, 11 plus 13 plus maths common entrance exams, okay, ASVAB, okay, level maths case for ASVAB students, okay, 10th or 9th or 8th grade, yeah, American students, okay, but anyone that is revisiting, okay, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, Key Stage 4, or functional skills maths. Thank you very much.